Hi, everyone. I'm going to do a little bit of a change to kind of the way we've been moving along. I got some feedback from a couple students today, both this morning or this afternoon when we met at 1:30 online. If you want to jump on next week, all we did is go over the assignments to make sure that there weren't any questions. What I can do is sign you into my screen and then look through it with you. And then you can ask questions kind of real time. That invitation isn't closed. You're always welcome to call me and let me know if you need help, and I can sign in. We can both sign into Zoom and look at the work and see, specific questions that you may have. But if you want just general overview, Tuesdays at 1:30 are kind of going to be the way I go. If nobody comes, that's fine. If some of you come, great. If all of you come, it'd be like class, which would be kind of cool. But after getting a little bit of feedback this afternoon from a couple of students who showed up, and then also getting an email from another student, I'm hearing that it's a lot, that you guys are a little overwhelmed, and it's windy out. So I'm thinking that what I might do is open the weeks for 2 weeks at a time, give you a little bit more time to get the assignments done in case you just don't have time with everything that's going on. It's completely understandable. Just remember, we're in this together. I am certainly willing to support you. All of you are doing fantastic before this, and I feel like that's the grade that you've earned. You didn't ask for this to happen, and you didn't sign on for an online class. So I will do whatever I can do to support you, and if that means extending deadlines, I'm totally, absolutely okay with that. Another thing that we can revisit is if some of you, if you feel like you're getting to the point where you might drop the class, let me know before you do that, and we will work something out in design of probably an incomplete and then going back during the summer when things calm down. But I don't mind thinking outside of the box how to get you guys through this class. I don't think, we're going to be working on reading stories, books. So I'm thinking it's not going to be anything that's too intense. You're going to learn to read a book to the group, critique children's literature, look for stereotypes and racism, and just really dive into children's books. So, pretty interesting topic. Anyways, just let me know what I can do. But so I went through and opened last week through next Monday. And then I opened this week through the 20th, I think. So that should give you extra time. If you can finish the book without words sooner than later, that would be fantastic because that's King's project. But if you need extra time, I can do that too. The other thing I did do is open, let me quick jump over to a different view. No, I can't because I'm already recording. But I put in a place for you to turn in your book without words videotape. And remember, you can either do it online, you can email me or email it to me, you can text it to me, I don't care, just whatever way you can send a videotape. There's also a handout that you have to do with the assignment that I handed out in class the last day we were all there when we were working on the books. So there's a handout that goes with it that you have to just kind of talk about your presentation and how, thinking through how you're going to introduce it and how you're going to do it. But that handout, I copied into this week's folder too. You've already seen it, but you're going to need to fill it out, okay? So take care, everyone. Be safe. And remember, we're here. If you're completely stressed, all you need to do is talk to any of us, whether it's my class or any of the faculty in our department. And I'm probably in the college. We all understand what you're going through because we're all going through it too. So let's work together and get through this, okay? And then hopefully be together next fall again because I really do miss you guys. Talk to you soon.